Okay, hi guys. Now for law, we have launched a new color material for CA Inter. Sir, everybody are launching color materials, sir. நீங்க தான் 5 வருஷமா you are still using black and white material only you are using, sir. We want a color material. Okay. So this is the law material that all of you may be aware. Okay, it will be in this charts that basically this material, if you remember, all of you would have studied from this, correct? Okay, fine. So then I thought, okay, everybody is doing color, we should also do color material. So we have done for all the chapters one color material, but then I consciously thought that for this upcoming May 25 exam, all my students who have studied from me, whether it is offline, online, live recording, are used to this material. You would have already studied this, correct? You would have studied this book and you are used to this book. Now for example, if I take dividend chapter, this is the diagram that comes to your mind in exam, and I believe that pictorial representation in exam matters a lot. And the concept enga irukku solli, now suddenly if I just change it to a color material, I don't know how many students will actually appreciate, because I can change to color material, do a marathon in color material, sell that book and earn the money, but I don't know how many students will appreciate a change 30-40 days before the exam to read from a new book. Are there going to be changes in the new color book? Content is the same, but alignment, how things are presented there will change. For example, dividend chapter in the existing book is going to be 5 pages. In this material, it's going to be 9 pages. Okay, that means content has changed in terms of alignment and design. Okay, but the core concept is going to be the same. I took a lot of time to decide. I asked a lot of students. Everybody said, sir, color material looks much better. It looks nice, sir. We can use this book only. But then I also spoke to students who used this book. Okay, now shifting from this book to color book will not be much effort for me. But considering students' viewpoint, I thought our marathon, wow, concept revision, everything, at least for May 2025 exams, content is the same. No change in provisions. At least for May 2025 exams, I thought let me continue with this book itself, so that if you have already used this book, you have that connect. There are many of my students who have studied in this, and if I change to color like this, I do not know whether they'll be able to cope with it. But I wanted to tell this. But going forward, June, July, later, subsequent batches, we will be shifting to this book. So if you have your friends or whatever, just let them know. So this book, we will be ending with May 2025 exams. Okay. So just wanted to give an update. But if you want this color book also, I will update this in the website under free resources. You can refer to it. Same book, no change. But just wanted to give you an update on that. Okay. That's it.